Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And why am I the Dummy Cook? Well, because I had never cooked before. My husband and I were running a business that took up all of our time, so cooking was just not a priority. Almost 4 years ago, I discovered Thermomix, and I could not believe that this life-changing device had been an option for so many years, but I had never heard of it. Super famous in Europe for decades, but new in the US. My kids could have grown up with more homemade meals, not just the ones that grandma was making for them. As soon as I bought it, my friends started asking questions. And it's not easy to explain. It's too good to be true, you need to see it to believe it. It has so many features, no video ever does it justice. So I started making the best videos I could, hoping I will be able to explain what a Thermomix is, what it does, and how it can help you like it helped me. And here we are, 4 years later, and having more fun than ever creating videos for you. What do I have in my channel? Recipes, tutorials, testimonials, fun stories, challenges. I have made more than 100 long-form videos, and I have more than 100 ideas for new videos. So I hope that you stick around, subscribe, and enjoy this journey with me. If you have any requests or any ideas for new videos, please drop a comment on a video or email me right here. I would love to hear from you. And yes, the elephant in the room. I do sell Thermomix as well. I am a consultant. And why do I do it? Because I love changing people's lives one kitchen at a time. Whenever someone is as amazed with their new Thermomix as I am every day when I use it, it really makes my day. I have had families improve their health, their lifestyle, or I have had families just enjoy better and more varied meals. These families text me every so often, reminding me of how happy I have made them, so that's why I do it. I also have people who have become consultants and they have found a business they are passionate about. Whether you have a Thermomix or not, whether you're trying to find out more about it, or you just like cooking channels, I hope that we can have a fun time together and hopefully I can be of service. If you need more information, please visit my info page. It's in my links or in every video description. There, you can schedule a free meeting with me, you can join my newsletter, you can find a free shipping code if you have decided to buy a Thermomix, and much more. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, The Dummy Cook. And to close, I'm going to include here a little trailer like in the movies. Enjoy!